Okay guys, now you can see that this is my result of all sort of propagation of succulent from leaves. Now you can see that I have put a lot of leaves and majority of these are from Graptosedum bronze. The one which is of bronze color, majority of them are actually Graptosedum bronze. Now you can see that this is our Pachyphytum bracteosum and this is Graptophyllum paraguanis. Okay, there is Crassula mucosa, there are jelly bean sedum, and here in this pot you can see that we have a lot of Graptophyllum paraguanis. And now you can see that these round shaped leaves, these are actually what is called as the jelly bean string or string of jelly beans. Now here in this pot we can see that we have a lot of Pachyphytum bracteosum. The yellow ones are Sedum adolphi. The ones with chocolate color and broad leaves are actually Echeveria milaco. So on the right hand side there is Graptosedum bronze as well, and in this pot we can see that we have these are topsy-turvy Echeveria, and they are very difficult to be grown from leaf, but here is the weather is pleasant, so we have success in leaf propagation. Now this is jelly bean sedum, and again Graptophyllum paraguanis with some Graptosedum bronze. And now this is my old results, and here we can see painted lady Echeveria. Okay, some Echeveria milaco, some sort of Graptosedum bronze, and Deutelia greeny rose. These are the plants of Deutelia greeny rose. Okay, one or two mother of thousand are also there. There is one Sedum LSE ones. Okay, yeah, we can see that now again. Okay, now this is our colony of Crassula capitella, the red one. Okay, and here they are with some Echeveria milaco, some painted lady Echeveria, okay, and Sedum adolphi. You can also see one zebra huardia on left hand side. Okay, and here we can see mother of millions, that is Calengio dilogensis, Echeveria milaco, Deutelia greeny rose, Sedum jelly beans or Sedum. They are also botanically called as the Sedum rubrotinctum. And here these are mother of Calentio tubiflora, that is mother of millions. Okay, and here, okay, in this pot we can see again the same thing, that is Sedum adolphi and all these things. And in this pot we can see some jade plant, that is Crassula ovata. And here we can see Pachyphytum bracteosum, and here nothing special. And now in this pot the white one are considered as the Echeveria lola succulent, and they are white in color and very beautiful. Here Echeveria lola and Graptophyllum paraguanis, and here Echeveria pearl von Nurnberg is there on right hand side. And in this pot We have Pachyphytum bracteosum and Cryptocidum bronze is there. In this pot, a lot of results are there. And now, okay, let me move into the, okay, now I have jumped into the other area. Now we will see, okay, here in this pot we have Cryptocidum bronze, and this is Echeveria black prince, and they are of 4 months old. This pot majority consists of Sedum adolphi or Sedum golden glow or Sedum nasba marianum, and this is jade golem. These leaves on right hand side and on left hand side as well, these are jade golem leaves, okay, or golem jade. Some Echeveria black prince, and here again this is Echeveria pearl von Nurnberg, this one. It is having pointed leaves. Here jade golem and Echeveria Milako. Let me zoom it out. Now you can see that how the babies are formed on the outer edges of the leaves. Deutelia greeny rose. Now this is Echeveria lilacina. Okay, now you can see I have focused on jade golem, Sedum adolphi, Echeveria black prince. Now we will move into the other section. From top you can see now these are Pachyphytum, what is called as rose, or I forgot its name. It is it is also called as some rosette, okay, but I forgot its name. Either it is called as Pachyphytum bracteosum rose or some, no, it's not bracteosum, okay. And now you can see, and overall here these are Sedum jelly beans. Yeah, it is called as Pachyphytum compactum rose. Yeah, I got its name, okay. Now these are okay. Now again a closed look at a string of jelly beans. It is not simple, okay, Sedum rubrotinctum. It is actually jelly bean sedum, and this is the long leaf. It is called as the tree stone crop or Sedum dendroideum, and these are the mature plants of Sedum dendroideum. So this is all about my leaf propagation of succulents, okay. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.